I'm Dawn from KB White Co. And today is the beginning of oyster harvest season on Cape Cod. So in honor of that, we're gonna show you how to shuck an oyster by using our KB White Co. Oyster Shucking Kit. Makes a great gift. It comes in this decorative burlap bag, and I'll show you what is inside. Comes with a rubber mat to place the oyster block on and your knife. And now I'm going to show you how to shuck an oyster. If you're like me and love oysters but don't know how to shuck, I'm going to show you how. So you place your rubber mat down, put the block on top, and you take an oyster, place it upside down on the block, put your hand on the block, one hand on the block and one hand using your knife, and you find opening there, and you just work your knife back and forth, and then there you go, it pops. And you just work your knife around. There you have a fresh oyster. These happen to be from the Little Harbor Lobster Company here in Marblehead, Mass. And these oysters are from Barnstable, Mass. And there you go. Just enjoy.